Let's see how to change currency in Hostinger website builder. So log into your Hostinger H panel. Now from the left menu click on websites. Edit the website for which you want to change the currency. Now from the top click on website builder dropdown. Select manage store from here. Click on settings and then click on store details. Here we will see the currency option, but currently it is not available. If you have set up the payment options on your Hostinger store, at first we need to remove all the payment options. So click on payments. Here you can see that we have set up PayPal. So I'm going to click on manage. Now click on disconnect PayPal from here. Click on disconnect. Now click on store details again. Select the currency and then click on save from here. And as you can see that our store currency is now changed. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.